A leading global ports and terminals operator partnered with Nexus Global to enhance asset management across its international network. Working closely with the VP of Asset Management, Nexus Global assisted in the development of their standardized asset hierarchy framework, aiming for global scalability and consistency. A proof of concept was implemented at a major European terminal, handling 3 million 20-foot equivalent units with 14 cranes. The pilot focused on only building and infrastructure assets, laying the groundwork for a globally aligned asset management structure. Nexus Global began with a detailed analysis of the site's existing data and systems, including a virtual review of the current computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. Our process included pre-build meetings to ensure alignment with the site and the Global Asset and Hierarchy Development Standard, or GAHDS, and prepared the site for a future transition to a new Enterprise Asset Management, or EAM system. One challenge was structuring unorganized asset data remotely. Nexus Global used the client's Geographic Information System, or GIS, and Google Maps to match asset tags with physical locations. Weekly collaboration meetings and the Data Optimizer software ensured accuracy, transparency, and strict data integrity, reducing build time by 2/3 compared to traditional methods. The project delivered 16 primary locations, 122 sublocations, and over 3,000 assets structured in record time. Data validation using Data Optimizer identified and corrected anomalies, which will improve efficiency and reliability. The standardized hierarchy will enable seamless cross-site and global information sharing, enhanced analytics, and support sustainability through optimized asset performance. Nexus Global's approach strengthened data governance, improved planning, and prepared the organization for efficient and seamless EAM implementation, setting a new standard for asset management excellence across all global ports.